Hi, welcome to Milwaukee Kayak Company. My name is Beth, and this is our main location located at 318 South Water Street on the Milwaukee River in the Harbor District. We also have a weekend location in the summer at Schlitz Park.
We fall from 100,000 feet. Don't even care where you land.
And then this is the Milwaukee River, so our main location is here. We have two different docks, and we rent kayaks, canoes, and stand-up paddleboards. This is Matthew. This is Braeden. And then the rules of the river are to keep your life jacket on all the time, stay to the side of the river, and then we'll paddle on our rivers and not venture out into the lake. Thanks for finding us, and we look forward to seeing you on the river soon.